Hold up. This look. First, we're gonna delete the pores. This is the best primer and it's like $2. You better get on that. I'm gonna use this foundation because I'm in love with it. A little foundation never hurt nobody. And I need a lot of it. So Kylie is definitely contoured. She is contoured to the gods. And I'm definitely gonna need some of that godly contouring because my face has not seen the sun in years. Lately, I've been also contouring my lips. It's a mood. Wait till the end, you'll see what I mean. You'll see where I'm going with this. Kylie is also known for being very blushy. I'm using the Milk blush. I love this one. And then we mix it all together. Okay, first I'm gonna do the eyes. I'm using the ABH, Soft Glam. Like a basic girl I am. It's, the cut crease is happening. It's creasing. I didn't cut my crease in so long. I actually forgot how it's done. Okay, I'm pretty pleased. I'm pleased. Now the liner. Okay, then she has rhinestones, like pretty big ones. Okay, I think this is big enough. I'm vibing. And the last thing is the lips. Just a little bit of overlining. So this is the makeup. Honestly, it's like, look at it. Look, you're not looking. I'm gonna do my hair and show you the tutorial for the hair in the part 2, so go there. For the makeup, this is done, Of course, tell me if you like it.